Since the beginning of time, people have wanted to get between locations, and thanks to today's vehicles we have this capability. But for several thousand years ago, it was not nearly as obvious that a human would be able to fly or travel to the other side of the world, because it was almost impossible to even imagine such as airplanes, cars and boats. It was simply not possible to get across the country. But thanks to the revolutionary inventions created by men who believed in the impossible, we now have received the knowledge of constructing these advanced vehicles. So what defines a vehicle? Well, a vehicle is an object that can move, for example to transport something from one point to another. Example of vehicles is a boat, ferry, spaceships, cars, bus, motorcycle, truck, aircraft, mopeds and helicopters. Striking for a vehicle is that they move under its own power and that they can move between multiple subjective points. This does not mean that they can move anywhere. Often they only can move on the surface of the water, on the surface of the earth, in water, in space or in the air. Things that are driven by their own engine are counted as vehicles. For example, rollerblading, skateboarding and bike does not count. We have decided to tell you a bit more detailed about the car, the airplane and the train.